Hey everyone, welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. Probably wondering what Vlogmas is, so this is my attempt to get back into a rhythm of filming and uploading content. It's been a few months since the last upload, so if anyone follows me on Instagram, you'll see I'm now a dad, which is pretty awesome. So I have a daughter named Everly. She's 1 month old, and life is very different now, so but it's a good different. But yeah, still keen to jump on this YouTube train and everything like that. So I'm going to attempt to do 7 days of Vlogmas, so 7 videos, 7 days.
I love this plan. I'm excited to be a part of it. Let's do it.
Yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm trying to mix this in between nap times and everything like that. But yeah, so it's Sunday the 15th of December today, and yeah, I think at the same time this is going to be like a way just for me to, I guess, get back in the garage as well and start doing some things to the Ranger and all that sort of stuff too. So yeah, 7 videos, 7 days, see if we can do it. I have no expectations or anything of myself to do like any crazy videos or anything like that. They'll probably be highly unedited and things, but yeah, just to get back into the swing of things. End the year on a bit of a high and let you guys know I'm still here. It's been a while since the last upload. We'll see how we go. If I was going to make this work, I needed to be able to edit videos anywhere I was at any point in time, so I blew the dust off the old laptop. I got punked by 400 updates. Then it was time for some dad duties. Where's your ball? Where is it? Go get it. Over there. You drop it. Go.
Five hours later.
Alright, so Vlogmas hasn't been going exactly to plan. We went for a really quick shop and came back. Everly slept the whole time we were out shopping, but then when we got home she decided to turn into the Banshee 3000, and you can probably hear a bit of background noise because it is windy. And yeah, so the last few hours I've literally been trying to get her to sleep. So the one thing I wanted to do today is clean up this mess, because if I clean up in here, it means I'll be more likely to come out here and actually do stuff. So that's what we're going to do. That's heaps better. So now when I come in here to do anything, it's all ready to go. Don't have to clean up or anything. So this is sort of, I guess, things to do. So we've got diff drop kit, extended brake lines. This needs to go on the tailgates, one of those soft close things. We've got the clay system, the heat gun, and a few wrap items behind there for the wrap. Have a guess what color I'm wrapping the Ranger. Bump stop extensions. I still need to fix the winch as well. Sorry, I don't need to fix it, I need to finish putting it in, I should say. So that's there to do. In this box is some gauges that I bought for the nav back in the day, and I forgot I had them actually. So yeah, there's a couple of gauges there that I might use for. So yeah, there's a couple of gauges there that I might use on the Ranger. These wouldn't fit on the shelf, but I bought some rock lights as well. This pretty cool switch panel from Altique that sort of just snaps in at the bottom of the console on the Ranger, which is cool. And that's just an extension cable for that. But yeah, so I've got a few things on the radar to do. It's just a matter of finding time between nap times for Evelyn is all. So yeah, good times. And it is randomly just raining whilst it's sunny now. I don't know if you can see that. Interesting. But I do need to bring the Ranger back around, so let me do that.